Welcome to Boutir Tutorials. In this video, we'll be guiding you on how to beautify your online store. For better experience, please watch this video in full screen mode and turn on the subtitles. Now, let's begin. Firstly, launch your Boutir app to start. Then, in your home page, click Store Settings. Next, click Change Store Logo. You can choose your logo from your device photo library. The recommended photo size is square size at 100 by 100 pixels. Once chosen, you may pinch in and out to adjust the size of your logo. Once uploaded, you may click Save. Next, let's customize the store cover image of your online store. Please note that this is only available for paid plans. In the Store Settings page, choose Change Cover Image. You may choose the image via your device photo library. The recommended image size should be 2160 pixels in width and 864 pixels in height. Please note that the higher your paid plan is, the more images you can upload as your cover photo. Once done, click Save. That is all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Download Boutir now on Google Play Store or App Store.